What's good, YouTube? It's your girl, Lovely Maya, back with another video. As you can see by this title, today's video will be on soft lock, the knotless method. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you give this video a like, a comment, and subscribe. Make sure you like the video because YouTube wants to know that y'all actually like the videos. So, like this video so it can get out to more people. Without further ado, let's get straight into it. So right here, as you can see, I am making my parts. I am braiding, but I'm not braiding all the way down because it takes too long and you really don't need to. So the way I make my parts is just like the oval shape. I just do it on top of each other instead of the regular square parts. It's kind of hard to explain how to make the parts. You just gotta watch and see. And if you don't understand, you can always rewind the video and watch it again. But when you're done, your parts should look something like this. Okay, so hairstylist, is it just me or when y'all cousin or y'all friend getting their hair done, y'all make them work too? Cause baby, come on. But as you can see, I am grabbing the lock. I put the crochet needle through the hair first. I clamp the lock onto the needle and I pull it through. And you see that little hole there? I put the braid, not the lock, but I put the braid through the circle or the hole so that it can be knotless and not at the root because it'll look bulky and big. So I just keep repeating the same step. I'm going to repeat it again. I'm going to put the needle onto the lock. I'm going to pull the lock through, and then I'm going to pull the hair through the circle part of the lock. And can y'all do me a favor and subscribe to my YouTube channel? I will be doing more hair tutorial videos. My goal is to post something every week, so stay tuned for that. So the hair that I'm using to wrap around the lock is called spring twist. The spring twist hair is from Twisted Up. It comes 3 in the bundle. Sorry I didn't show y'all the pack, but that is the hair that I used. And I only used like 1 pack of 3 bundles. But as you can see, I didn't crochet it in. I just used part of the hair. I placed it on top of the lock, and then I started wrapping around that hair plus the lock. Also, I don't use any nail glue or lighter. I just start wrapping the hair back up towards the base of the hair. Also, sometimes I do run out of hair, but you're gonna see right here, I'm just adding another piece of the spring twist hair to make sure the hair is covered completely. So I'm just adding the hair on top the same way I do when I first start wrapping the hair. I'm gon' ball out so much, just hold grinding for a month. Lil' hop out them, she'll catch up on the AR, how you did that? Take off, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blickies, how you did that? Your LB bed turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that dope turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones and never watch it, how you did that? You hit some skeletons in your closet, why you did that? This is the end of the video. I hope you guys learned something. This is very quick and easy. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.
You had me